Imagine knowing in real time whether your body has enough iron, vitamin C, or zinc, without ever needing a blood test. No needles, no waiting for lab results, just instant feedback about what your body truly needs. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the world of nanonutrient trackers, an emerging technology that could completely change the way we understand and manage our nutrition. What exactly are nanonutrient trackers? Nanonutrient trackers are incredibly tiny sensors, often at the nanoscale, designed to monitor the levels of nutrients and key biomarkers inside your body. Unlike the wearable devices we have today that track steps, heart rate, or sleep, these trackers go much deeper. They can detect minute chemical changes in your sweat, saliva, or even the fluid just beneath your skin. Some trackers are designed as patches you stick onto your arm. Others could be small, ingestible capsules or even microscopic implants that work silently inside your body, giving you a continuous stream of information about your health and nutrition. These trackers use advanced nanomaterials and biosensing technologies to identify specific molecules like glucose, iron ions, vitamin C, or amino acids. When these molecules come in contact with the sensor, they trigger an electrical or optical signal. That signal is then analyzed and displayed on an app, showing whether your body needs more of a certain nutrient or if your diet is balanced just right. Why do we need nanonutrient trackers? Most of us take supplements or follow diets blindly. We read an article online, see a doctor once in a while, or just guess based on how we feel. But the truth is, our nutritional needs constantly change. Stress, sleep, exercise, illness, and even the weather can influence what our body requires. Nanonutrient trackers offer something that's been missing for decades: personalized, real-time feedback. Imagine knowing that your vitamin D levels drop during winter and automatically adjusting your diet or supplement intake. Or getting an alert that your iron levels are low right before you start feeling tired or dizzy. For athletes, these devices could be game changers, helping them optimize recovery, hydration, and performance by monitoring micronutrients like potassium and sodium. For people with medical conditions, they can help manage deficiencies and prevent complications. And for everyday users, they can take the guesswork out of eating healthy. How do they work? The technology might sound complex, but the concept is quite straightforward. The tracker collects samples of biological fluid, most commonly sweat or interstitial fluid, through tiny sensors. Within the sensor are nanomaterials that react with specific nutrients or ions. When the nutrient interacts with the sensor, it creates a measurable change, maybe a tiny voltage shift, a color change, or a fluorescent glow at the nanoscale. That data is then processed by a microchip and sent to your smartphone. Within seconds, you can see detailed information about your vitamin or mineral levels. Some advanced designs even combine multiple sensors to measure several nutrients at once. So instead of just checking your hydration, you could be tracking magnesium, calcium, and vitamin C, all in real time. The current state of the technology: nanonutrient trackers are still in the early stages of human application, but research is moving fast. Scientists have already developed patches that can monitor vitamin C and amino acid levels through sweat. Some companies are experimenting with flexible skin sensors that can measure multiple nutrients simultaneously while you work out or rest. There are even ingestible sensors in development that can collect data from inside your digestive tract and transmit it wirelessly to your phone. These capsules dissolve naturally or pass through your system without harm. While most of these prototypes are still in testing phases, the progress in recent years has been nothing short of incredible. Think of it this way: a decade ago, we couldn't even imagine continuous glucose monitors being widely used. Today, they're common for diabetics and even available for general wellness tracking. Nanonutrient trackers could follow the same path in the next few years. The benefits of using nanonutrient trackers. The biggest advantage is personalization. No two bodies are the same and no single diet fits everyone. Nanonutrient trackers let you understand your body, not the average person's. They can help you avoid both deficiency and excess. For instance, too little iron can make you fatigued, but too much can damage your organs. These trackers could ensure you stay within a healthy range, guided by real-time data. They can also improve medical care. Imagine a doctor adjusting your supplement dose based on daily sensor readings instead of waiting for lab results every few months. This could make treatment more precise and responsive. And beyond health, they could also bring peace of mind, giving people confidence that their lifestyle choices are truly benefiting their body. The challenges and limitations. Of course, no technology is perfect, at least not yet. The biggest challenge is accuracy. Nutrient levels in sweat or interstitial fluid don't always match what's in your blood. External factors like hydration, temperature, and skin type can interfere with readings. Another concern is sensor lifespan. These nanosensors can wear out, drift, or get contaminated by natural body oils or proteins. Calibrating them for long-term accuracy is a major area of ongoing research. Then there's data privacy. Health data is sensitive, and users need assurance that their information won't be sold or misused. As with all wearable tech, ethical and privacy concerns must be addressed before mass adoption. Finally, there's the issue of cost and accessibility. Early versions of this technology are likely to be expensive and might only be available to research participants or elite athletes at first. But as with all tech, prices will drop over time. You're the future of nanonutrient tracking. So what's next? The future looks incredibly promising. In the next few years, we'll likely see wearables capable of monitoring multiple nutrients at once, from vitamins and minerals to hydration and metabolism markers. Ingestible and implantable versions could become medical-grade tools for patients who need continuous monitoring, such as people with chronic diseases or nutrient absorption issues. These could provide doctors with an unprecedented amount of data to personalize treatment. Artificial intelligence will also play a huge role. Instead of just displaying raw numbers, future apps could analyze your trends, diet, activity, and sleep patterns to give personalized nutrition advice. Your tracker might say, "You're consistently low in magnesium. Try adding leafy greens or supplements this week." As more research validates these sensors, they could become standard in healthcare, just like blood pressure monitors or glucose sensors are today. How to approach this technology? If you're thinking about trying one of these devices when they hit the market, remember, they're tools, not replacements for professional advice. Always confirm important findings with medical tests and consult a doctor before making major changes to your diet or supplements. Look for devices that are clinically tested and transparent about how they collect and process your data. And most importantly, use the information as guidance, not a diagnosis. Nanonutrient trackers represent the next evolution in human health monitoring. They bridge the gap between nutrition and technology, giving us a window into how our bodies actually function, not based on averages or assumptions, but based on real-time data unique to each of us. For decades, we've been told to listen to your body. Now, with nanonutrient trackers, we can finally see what our body is saying, molecule by molecule. It's a future where personalized nutrition isn't just about what's on your plate, but about what's happening inside your cells. And that future is closer than we think.